Would you like to know how to dehydrate liquids or already powdered goods in your dehydrator? Well, today I'm going to show you how. It's Jody with All About the Harvest, where I teach you how to grow, use, and preserve your harvest. And today I'm going to show you a quick way to be able to dehydrate those liquids or powders that maybe have gotten a little moisture in them and you want to make sure you remove the moisture. So typically you're not going to put your liquids on a flat sheet like this because it will go all over, or your powders will also go all over. So today I'm going to show you how I do it in my Excalibur dehydrator. So what we will do is we are going to actually create a bowl with this. So with the Excalibur, they have these silicone mats and they're called Paraflex sheets. And these are great for making like your fruit leathers on, or putting things that are on more of a liquid state. But you can also make a bowl with these, and it's very, very simple. So let me show you how to do that. Now, I use paper clips, but you can also use binder clips. It's really up to you. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the corner and you're going to pinch it and then take a paper clip and just paper clip that corner shut. So this is how you're going to do it. And you're going to do that on each corner. So it's very, very simple. I just pinch and then I paper clip. Again, you could use a binder clip. I'm using big paper clips. You can use small paper clips. I've done all three. I've done the mini binder clips. I have done, well, big binder clips, small paper clips, and big paper clips. All of them work. So now, as you can see, I have a bowl. And now this bowl will hold liquids and powders, and it goes directly into the dehydrator. And you can see I have one there. I will remove a couple trays, and then this will just fit directly into the dehydrator. And so now you can dehydrate multiple items, multiple liquids or powders in this particular dehydrator. It's great, it's quick, it's easy, and it's a great way to do your soups or your powders or any liquids that you want to dehydrate. One of the videos I'm coming out with is how to dehydrate your broth so that you can powder it and have your own bouillon or powdered stock or powdered broth. And it's much healthier than the store-bought. There's no sugar in it. There's a lot less sodium in it. And so I'm going to be teaching you how to do that in an upcoming video. So if that is something that is of interest to you, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button, because then you'll get notified when that video comes out. Now, if that video is already out by the time you're watching this, I'll have it linked in the description below, and I will pop it in the iCards up here so that you can also take a look at it. So this is perfect for that. In fact, this is what I did when I made my recent turkey bone broth powder. I made a bouillon out of it. And this is exactly what I did. I put them in these little bowls, put them in here and dehydrated them, and then ended up powdering them, and it worked out really, really great. So I have a video that's coming up on that. Make sure you watch that to find out more of the details. And this is how you can dehydrate your liquids or your powdered goods. I will post links below to the Paraflex sheets and the Excalibur dehydrator. Now, if you use a vertical dehydrator, some of those have sheets that are already plastic and they do have some sides to it. So you could use that for the liquid. I don't have one of those, so I'm not sure how that would work with the powder, but because it's vertical, I think it might be okay. You just have to try it and let me know. Put that in the comments below if you do have a vertical dehydrator and you have done powder in there on those sheets, how that works. I would love to know that. Again, it's Jody with All About the Harvest, where I teach you how to grow, use, and preserve your harvest. And for more kitchen tips and tricks, be sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to be notified when I post a new video each week. Enjoy your dehydrating.